Peter, not your average guy on the Nevermind Your Own YouTube channel. And guys, I am on a new adventure, but my suitcase did not arrive. I spoke to a couple of these people and they said, okay, we're gonna arrange something. His phone is switched off. Right.
But I have your number and you said that...
Guys, you gotta see this. This is some Georgian road. They're working on it. So this is a work in progress, but nevertheless, these old cars are driving these roads. One thing is, guys, that I have a new camera. It's the Gopro Fusion. And what's nice about this is that it's a 360 camera, so it records everything. So I'm driving in the car now, but I'm filming me and also up front or on the left or on the right or up or down, everything. And what's nice about it is that you record everything, but then in the editing software you can choose what you want to do with it, what you want to view. So that's just awesome, because now I don't have to have like 3 or 4 cameras to record the drone, to record myself, to do this and that. Wow, look. And it's a gorgeous area with this stream next to me. Okay, so this is one of the participants. This is really nice area. This is worthy to fly a drone here. Maybe it even gets better, because at the end of this road there is like caves or houses or I don't know what in the mountain, and that's definitely nice to fly and film that with the drone, because there's snow here. There's snow here, man. Wow. Oh, look at that view, man. My suitcase is still not here. There was a power outage in Amsterdam, in the airport. And that's why the luggage system did not work anymore, and so they had to put all the luggage by hand into carts and bring it to the airplanes, etc. So I guess that's why a couple of suitcases got lost or didn't make it to the plane. So I heard that it is in Prague now. So they put it on a plane to Tbilisi. It's the capital, and I guess through Prague was like the quickest way or the cheapest. I don't know what. I don't know at what time it will be here. So, and I'm already on the route to the next location. I mean, we're 14 days driving around here, and I didn't know what to do. To just sit and wait, and without any news, maybe it would take 3 days before I could get my suitcase. So I decided to just go to the next location and wait for some news. Do you have any idea how at what time the luggage is?
I'm organizing it and I'll update you. Because I think it's best if I find someone from Tbilisi who can collect it and deliver it to you. Because I don't want them to promise me that they will deliver in Vardzia, then you leave Vardzia, and then it will get lost again.
But it's still not here, so maybe they're gonna bring it to me. I also said if I know at what time it is there, maybe I can go back and pick it up. So I still don't know what to do with that. Meanwhile, I have this Mavic Air, but it has only one battery, which is like half or 3/4 full. It's not really much, so I can just do one little flight with it, and I have to really pick the right moment. Look at this castle. This is just very nice. Maybe I should use my battery for this. There's a car, another car that stopped here. Ja joh, dit is toch een fantastische plek dit. En de zon erbij. Is toch prachtig?
Het is schitterend hier. Maar niemand is gestopt. Ik vind het
Nee.
vinden dat blijkt dat toch niet de moeite waard om naar wordt gestopt.
Vliegen even. En dat ik dan jouw auto erop zet. So what I'm gonna do. car coming. Let's just have it passing by. And there's another one. I stopped too quickly with flying. I didn't know they were coming. Hey. All right.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I'm Mariami from Georgian Rally company. Can you give your address because your luggage will bring it, yeah.
When will the luggage arrive?
Maybe this evening.
This evening.
Yeah.
I am in Pia village.
Can you give me address exactly?
Yes.
When you will in the town, we can call you.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Yes.
Yes. Can you message me?
Yes.
Right
Okay.
away?
I will. Yeah, I will do that. I will message it to you. Okay. I'm gonna take one last shot with my Mavic Air. With the battery that I have still left. There's one of the cars over here, and here is something extraordinary beautiful. Satellites. Oh, this thing wants to be calibrated everywhere where we are. Okay, record.
Take off.
Okay, and now that I'm up like this, we're gonna turn and lift the camera and da 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 da. This is a nice view, this is a nice view, but what about this? Look over there. Battery is low, but 30%. I can have a little bit if I can stand the noise, the beeping. Oh, the car is driving away. If I can get that on film. Oh, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? No, I gotta go back. I gotta go back, guys. Battery is down. Okay. I agree, this was too short for an area like this. We have to do this better. But tomorrow we're gonna go over there and I have another chance to film this. And I also got good news. That is, my suitcase is gonna arrive tonight in the airport and hopefully they will bring it to me tonight. Oh, I will be so happy if I have this. Anyway, if you like my flights, my trips, give this a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. Hey, this is Peter. Hello. Yes, this is Peter. Yes.
Arrived from Prague, but as I have information, you are in Vardzia, yes?
In Pia village, that's where I am, yes.
But I'm sorry, but it's impossible to send it to Vardzia. And tomorrow, are you going still in Vardzia or are you changed?
No, then I change location, but it's in the airport now or not?
Still not. We are waiting for your bag.
Okay.
It will arrive in an hour.
In an hour. But
yes.
yeah, I may consider to drive back and get it then because I just need it tonight.
Okay.
Because I need it. It's like I cannot do anything without it.
I understand.
My equipment is in the suitcase, so.
Tell me your address in Tbilisi, and tomorrow morning our driver will deliver it to your address.
I sent the address to. I don't know if I sent it to you, but to somebody else from.
Okay. Do you have our email, or you don't have it?
Yeah, I have an email. Because I don't know. I don't know at this point how long it's driving to back to the airport.
Okay. Tomorrow morning we will contact you, and maybe it will be okay. Tomorrow morning you can tell us your address. It will be okay.
Okay. So you can send a driver tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Not in Vardzia.
If he leaves early, then maybe it's still probably it's still good enough. So what time he could be here? Do you think?
Sorry. What do you mean?
You can send a driver tomorrow morning. And at what time could the driver be here in Vardzia?
We can't send the driver to Vardzia.
Not?
We couldn't send, yes, to Vardzia.
Also not tomorrow morning?
Also not tomorrow morning.
Then why I have to give my address?
Okay. So I will call you. I will call you tomorrow morning. Please tell me your address. Another address, not in Vardzia. Are you going to stay in Vardzia?
The other one is like Borjomia.
I will try. Borjomia?
Yeah. So it's not very far from here.
It's possible to send to Borjomia. We can send to Borjomia.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't know your address in Borjomia.
Yeah, I understand. I'd rather. How long is it driving from here to the airport? Do you know that? It's like 3 hours or what?
I don't know, maybe 3 hours.
Because I need the equipment, so I'd better come and pick it up tonight. So I think I will drive to the airport now. I will just go back and pick it up. If you cannot bring it, then I will do it myself.
When the flight will arrive from Prague, we will check your bag. We will contact you and inform that your bag is already in Tbilisi. And after that, you decide what to do.
Yeah, but if I go to the airport, I better start driving right now. Because if it's 3 hours driving, I have to drive 3 hours, 4 hours and go back.
Yes, but I don't know exactly.
You don't know it, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Arrived or not.
Then let me know if it has arrived, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Sorry,
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Yep,
bye.
Miss Peter?
Hello.
Hello?
I'm calling from Georgian Airways.
Yes, hello.
I am going to inform that your bag hasn't arrived.
Okay. Not, or?
It has not arrived.
It has not arrived?
Not.
Okay.
And probably it will be on tomorrow morning, and we will call you, okay?
Okay. Yep.